So if you run an air duct cleaning company, dryer and chimney cleaning, and you are of course looking for more leads because air duct cleaning companies need heck a lot of volume every day. Yeah, I know that. We all know that. So today's video, I'm going to talk about that how you can generate the most qualified leads for your duct cleaning business. Because see, cold calling, door knocking, putting in magazines, putting in flyers and brochures is still worth it. I know that, but it's not scalable because out of 10 people, 9 people use mobile and 1 out of 10 reads magazines and see newspapers. So we have to follow the most audience where they hang out at. Okay, we have to focus on that actually, because if we just focus on the 90s and 80s part, which has been a huge past out there, so of course it's not scalable and you cannot get good leads out there. So basically, what we are doing is that what you should do is like run ads, of course, for AirDuck on Facebook. Don't go on Google because in Google it's really expensive and you don't get the volume. Okay, you get like one lead for $50, $70, $80 because it's a huge competition there. The place you got a gap is Facebook. Yeah, on Facebook you can play good. Yeah, you can play in a way that you can target the homeowners who are looking for who are looking for air duct cleaning, chimney cleaning, dry vent cleaning. You can show them your ads, and you can target specific people. Actually, for example, you are in Los Angeles, LA, and you run air duct cleaning, chimney cleaning, dry vent cleaning company. You offer a lot of services. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna show your ads to the customer, okay, relevant customer with the proper targeting, and you're gonna ask these questions: name, number, email, zip code, street address. Okay. After that, what we're gonna ask them is how many units do they have? Because if they will ask, it's like really helpful for you. How many units do they have? After that, you have to ask if you offer. If you don't, then it's optional. Don't put it. If you offer drive and cleaning, ask them that are you also looking for drive and cleaning starting at, like, for example, $50 just for attraction. Ask third question, are you also looking for chimney cleaning starting at $60 just to make them pre-qualify. And the last would be, what is the best time to call you? Put all these information, put all the contact questions, all the questions, and let the ad run. Here you will see that the cost would be like 22 bucks, but the lead quality would be awesome. You will only get such customers who are highly interested, and you're gonna call them as per their time. Like if they have mentioned that, hey, call me at like 9 to 12, like 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Call me in this time period. If you call them in that time period, it's 99% chance that they're gonna answer the phone. Okay, it's just like one person. They could be busy, or they could call you back, or they will ask you to call back. But 99% they will answer and make an instant appointment because they have answers approximately 9 questions there. So it's a common sense that they are the most high quality customer. So let me give you an idea that if you spend $50 a day, you can get approximately 2 to 3 leads a day with that particular thing. Yeah, 2 to 3 leads mean that 2 appointments every day, roughly. Yeah. But what you have to do is like stay consistent, because in the start the cost is high. It goes down over the period of time when you do continuous marketing. You will see, like, if you do it for like 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, you will see a huge difference in your monthly revenue from the time you never did this marketing. Facebook is a really game changer. Let me show you that how does it work, because we are actually running ads for data cleaning companies, and it's like we are killing the market right now. So here you can visit our website, F16Media.agency, and you can click on our F16 Media Help and click on Air Cleaning Businesses. Okay. So what you have to do is Come here, watch the video. You will learn everything. How do you work? And here are our most recent results. Okay. So like 269 leads generated for $7, 39 for 13, 68 for 9.82, 7 for like approximately $10. So see, huge potential. And each lead is highly qualified. Yeah. 90% of those leads go to an appointment. What matters the most of it is that you are good at sales and you know how to close that lead and make an appointment. So if you are looking for crazy leads and appointments for your air duct cleaning company and you want someone to help you, we are right here. Come on our website, click on WhatsApp button, contact us. If not, come on our website f16media.agency and click on this button, get me started, and it will open a separate calendar page where you can schedule time, date, and everything, and we can hop on a quick call and we can show you that how you can get started and get started getting crazy leads and appointments for a complicated company. So again, if you're looking for good crazy leads and appointments, go in the description, book a free call with us, or come on our website, click the button below, click the button on the website, and we can hop on a call and we can show you that how you can get crazy leads and appointments. So if you like the video, if you found some value, so please do not forget to like and subscribe and share with your people who are running this business or who are looking to generate more leads for their business. So hoping to see you in the call really soon, and good luck and God bless you all.